Okay, duckies, you might want to step back because some of your flock might have got the bird flu. Hi guys, Michael, about 5,000 here. So I just came to Duck Park and... what the heck's happening here? What are the rooks doing? Gosh, they are crazy birds. Yeah, I think one of the ducks might have the bird flu. Because I've heard it making strange noises and sneezing. So I don't obviously know who's caused it. So I might have to see if it turns up. See if whoever's got the flu turns up.